Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. Welcome to Behind the Logics, the repository of knowledge. Today we are going to see about big data. What is big data? What is big data analytics and why we are using big data analytics? These are all the topics we are going to cover today. First, what is big data? Big data is a term that describes large, hard to manage volumes of data, both structured and unstructured. In other words, data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. This can also be defined in 3 V's. Let's now see about 3 V's of big data. The 3 V's of big data are volume, velocity, and variety. Now let's see about volume. Data can be of unknown value from sources such as Twitter data feeds, clickstreams on a web page or a mobile app, or sensor-enabled equipment like IoT devices. For some organizations, this might be tens of terabytes of data. For others, it may be of hundreds of petabytes of data. Let's now see about velocity. Velocity is the fast rate at which data is received and acted on. Data streams into businesses at an unprecedented speed and must be handled in a timely manner. RFID tags, sensors, and smart meters are driving the need to deal with these torrents of data in near real time. Talking about variety, it refers to the many types of data that are available, from structured numeric data in traditional databases to unstructured text documents, emails, videos, audios, stock ticker data, and financial transactions. We have 2 more V's called value and veracity. Let's see about them one by one. Veracity is nothing but the quality or accuracy of the data. Since the data is collected from multiple sources, we need to check the data for accuracy before using it for business insights. Let's see about value. This is the most important of all the V's. The bulk of data having no value is of no good to the company unless you turn it into something useful. We need to extract the value of the big data using proper analytics. Now let's see about the benefits of big data. Better decision making. Many businesses, including travel, real estate, finance, and insurance, are mainly using big data to improve their decision making capabilities. Since big data reveals more information in an usable format, businesses can utilize that data to make accurate decisions on what customers want or not on their behavioral tendencies. The next benefit is cost optimization. The logistics industry presents an excellent example to highlight the cost reduction benefit of big data. Usually, the cost of product returns is 1.5 times greater than that of actual shipping costs. Analyzing the big data allows companies to minimize product return costs by predicting the likelihood of product returns. They can estimate which products are most likely to be returned, thereby allowing companies to take suitable measures to reduce losses on returns. Next is improved efficiency. By interacting with customers and gaining their valuable feedback, big data tools can gain large amounts of useful customer data. This data can then be analyzed and interpreted to extract meaningful patterns hidden within, which allows companies to create personalized products. The next is improved customer service. Big data helps companies understand how their customers think and feel and thereby offer them more personalized products and services. Offering a personalized experience can improve customer satisfaction, enhance relationships, and most of all, build loyalty. So far, we have seen about the benefits of big data. Let's move on to see what is big data analytics. Big data analytics describes the process of uncovering trends, patterns, and correlations in big data sets that include structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So now let's see how big data analytics work. The first process is to collect data and the second is process data, and the third one is to clean the data, and fourth one is to analyze data. Let's see one by one. Now let's see about collect data. With today's technology, organizations can gather structured and unstructured data from a variety of sources like cloud storage, mobile applications, in-store IoT sensors, etc. Some data will be stored in data warehouses. Raw or unstructured data that is too diverse or complex for a warehouse can be stored in a data lake. Next step is process data. Once data is collected and stored, it must be organized properly to get accurate results on analysis, especially when it's large and unstructured. Two data processing options are commonly used. One is batch processing, which looks at large data blocks over time. Batch processing is useful when there is a longer turnaround time between collecting and analyzing data. Other one is stream processing, which looks at small batches of data at once, shortening the delay time between collection and analysis. Stream processing is more complex and often more expensive. Next, let's see about clean data. Data, no matter big or small, requires cleaning to improve data quality and get stronger results. All data must be formatted correctly. Any duplicate or irrelevant data must be eliminated. Null values should be handled. Last one is analyze data. To get useful insights, we analyze the data. Some of those analytic methods include data mining, predictive analytics, and deep learning. Data mining sorts through large data sets to identify patterns and relationships by identifying anomalies and creating data clusters. Predictive analytics uses an organization's historical data to make predictions about the future, identifying upcoming risks and opportunities. Deep learning imitates human learning patterns by using artificial intelligence and machine learning to layer algorithms and find patterns in the most complex and abstract data. Big data analytics cannot be narrowed down to a single tool or technology. Instead, several types of tools work together to help you collect, process, cleanse, and analyze big data. We'll learn about them in the upcoming videos. Now let's see why big data analytics. The first one is cost reduction. Flexible data processing and storage tools can help organizations save costs in storing and analyzing large amounts of data. Big data technologies like cloud-based analytics can significantly reduce costs when it comes to storing large amounts of data. The next point is it helps in faster and better decisions. Businesses can access a large volume of data and analyze a large variety sources of data to gain new insights and take action. Speed of in-memory analytics combined with the ability to analyze new sources of data such as streaming data from IoT helps businesses analyze information immediately and make fast, informed decisions. The last one is developing new products and services. Analyzing data from sensors, devices, video, logs, transactional applications, web and social media empowers an organization to be data-driven. Being able to gauge customer needs and customer satisfaction through analytics empowers businesses to give customers what they want when they want it. With big data analytics, more companies have an opportunity to develop innovative new products to meet customers' changing needs. So that's all for today's video. We will see in detail about big data analytics in future. To get more videos, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.